Now that you're familiar with the Vinimay dashboard, let's take a closer look at the settings section. Here, you can manage everything from vendors and customers to products, services, invoices, and more. Let's start with managing your vendors. In the Manage Vendors section, you'll see a list of all your vendors, complete with their contact details, addresses, and tax information. To add a new vendor, simply click on Add Vendor. Fill in the vendor's details like name, contact number, email, address, GSTIN, PAN information, and GST registration type. When you're done, hit Create Vendor to add them to your list. If you have multiple vendors, you can upload them all at once by clicking Import Vendors. Upload an Excel or CSV file containing all your vendor details. And you can also download the template to help ensure proper formatting. Next, let's take a look at the Customers section. Here, you can easily manage all your customers, from contact details to addresses and tax information. To add a customer, click on Add Customer. Fill in the customer's name, contact number, email, address, and GST PAN information, then click Create Customer to save them to your list. For bulk customer imports, click Import Customers, upload a CSV file containing all your customers' details. You can also download the template to ensure everything is properly formatted before uploading. Now, let's explore the Product section. In the Manage Products area, you can view a list of all your products, including their selling price, stock, unit, and HSN code. To add a new product, click Add Product. Enter the product name, opening stock, selling price, unit, and HSN code, then click Create Product to add it to your inventory. If you have multiple products to add, click on Import. Upload a CSV or Excel file containing the product details and download the template to ensure everything is formatted correctly before uploading. Let's now look at the Services section. In Manage Services, you can view all your services along with their service name, amount, SAC code, and creation date. To add a new service, click Add Service. Fill in the service name, amount, and SAC code. Then click Create Service to add it to your list. For multiple services, simply click on Import Services and upload a CSV or Excel file with the service details. Be sure the file is formatted correctly and download the template to ensure accuracy. Next, let's move to Invoices. You can easily customize your invoices in Vinimay. Choose from a variety of elegant templates, then click Update Template to save your changes and create the perfect invoice for your business. Now, let's explore the Banks section. Here, you can view a list of all your bank accounts, including the bank name, account number, branch address, and an action icon, which shows the complete information for this bank account. To add a new bank account, click on Add Bank Details. Fill in the company name, bank name, city, account number, and branch address. You'll also need to provide the IFSC code, UPI ID, UPI name, and UPI mobile number for easy payment transactions. You can even upload a QR code for seamless payments. Then click Create Bank Detail to add it to a new bank. Let's now take a look at the Notification section. Here, you can customize how you receive important updates from Vinimay. You can switch on invoice emails to receive notifications for new invoices and payments. Enable monthly reports to receive a summary of your business's finances each month. Turn on security alerts to stay informed about any security-related events and ensure your account stays safe. If you ever need help, the support center is just a click away. Located in the Go to Settings section at the bottom. Simply click on Need Help, fill out the form with your name, email address, subject of issue, and a detailed description of your issue. After submitting, you'll receive a response from our support team within 24 hours during business hours. And that's it. You now have everything you need to manage your vendors, customers, products, services, invoices, bank details, and notifications all in one place with Vinimay.